In front of me is Rhino 1 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First, go into settings and scroll to hit this section called Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts. Select Change Setting and make sure this option called Show when locked is enabled. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from locked screen, so be super sure it's on. Go back, tap on Add Contact and click on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To manage your contact list, you can hit Reorder at the top right corner and change placement of them. For example, I want Charlie to be a second contact, so I have to drag it, place it here, and then hit Save at the top right corner. To remove any contact from the list, not from your smartphone, use this X next to the chosen one and hit Remove. So now let's check it out. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I need to hit Emergency at the bottom. Then hold this blue icon and swipe it to the right to see that my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!